and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be doing some more deep cleaning, and the first thing I'm starting with is the freezer. Since it's winter and it's really cold out, I just put everything into this giant cooler bag and then just stuck the whole thing outside in the snow. Come a little closer. The freezer was pretty gross. I never cleaned this when we first moved in, so you can see it was definitely needing it. The part that was the worst, I think, was the rubber seal that goes around the door. There were crumbs and all kinds of stuff stuck in there. Just the whole door itself was pretty bad, so I was really excited to clean this. Wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. If you're new here, my name is Jill, and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3, and I'm working on cleaning up and fixing up our first house that we bought. We've been here for a year, but it was in sad shape when we got it, so I've been on a serious cleaning spree around here. I really enjoy cleaning, especially the really dirty things, so I've been having fun making these deep cleaning videos. I'm also on a bit of a minimalism journey too, so if you're interested in those kinds of videos and homemaking in general, I would love for you to subscribe. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. The blue thing I'm using here is just a scraper tool. I got it in a set of 2 on Amazon, and it definitely comes in handy sometimes. You could probably also get away with using a butter knife, but I'm a sucker for cleaning gadgets sometimes. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. This groove is what the basket was sitting in. What you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna call it quits on this for today just because I think I'm gonna run out of time soon. Noah's gonna wake up soon and I want to get this all cleaned up. Look at that over there. But I did like this. This is all cleaned out now. I think it looks pretty good unless I missed anything, which sometimes happens. I'll go to show you guys like the after and realize that I missed a spot, but that happens. But it looks pretty good. Something right there. See that? Get that out of there. But yeah, and then I did like the sides, this side, and the other side, and these things where the drawer was sitting. I got those pretty good inside. And then I cleaned out under there as far as I could. It's so tricky to get under there, especially because this is in the way and I can't figure out how to get this basket out. There's still some spots I need to clean, like you can see that corner right there. Sorry, I'm shaking a little bit. Down here. And I think I'm gonna get up there before I finish because that's just so nasty. That's cat hair, guys. We don't have a cat. Okay, I am upstairs in the hallway right now, and the next thing I'm gonna clean is the baseboards. I've never done these since we moved into this house, and they're pretty bad. There's that one. Yeah, and then there's like, I don't know, it looks like there's like drips on the wall. Like, yeah, it's pretty gross. I've just been ignoring this. We don't spend too much time upstairs. We really just come up here to go to sleep and that's it. So that's why I've been able to ignore it because I don't really see it very much.
Gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive.
So first I just wanted to vacuum because I knew there were probably hairs all over the carpet and I didn't want them all getting in my way when I'm trying to clean.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing.
And this is how it looked after. So it looks a little bit better, but it really just needs a fresh coat of paint. Or maybe just new baseboards altogether because they are pretty crummy looking. So the next thing on my list for deep cleaning is this piece above the microwave. I already took it down. I saw how gross it was, and at first I wanted to just make sure that I could get it off, but it just unscrews and it came right off. And this is what it looks like inside. So gross right there. That's like the worst spot, I think. The rest really isn't too bad. I'm not gonna touch that, I don't think. And then right here is just a little dusty or something. I guess I have to be careful in here because there's like inner workings of the microwave, but right here is just like all plastic, so definitely gonna get that cleaned out as best I can. This piece right here came out of there too. It fit like right up here in that corner, and that had a screw too, so I just took the screw out and then pulled that out of there. And then this is the cover that goes on the top of it. There was just 2 screws But in here, pretty nasty. Yeah, I'm so glad this came off because there's no way I would have been able to clean all inside of there if it had to stay attached, but look at that. So gross.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love.
I started out just using dish soap to clean this stuff, but it was not working, so I decided to break out the Super Clean, and I always wear a respirator when I use this stuff because it is really strong.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that.
Okay, so here is the after. I think it looks pretty good. I got in there as best as I could. Probably should have got a flashlight, but I think it looks alright. And then in here, I guess there's a spot at the back that I missed. Oh well. And then over here and in here, I was even able to get like right here where it was all greasy, but I was scared to really do much in there because the wires and everything. I got this thing all clean, and you saw I was first using dish soap, but that was not helping. So then I did go ahead and get the purple stuff out, the Super Clean, and that did the trick. It just like dissolves all the grease. So, and then this is looking a lot better too. This was such a pain in the butt to clean because I kept thinking it was good, and then I'd see like another spot where I missed, but I think I got it all. I mean, it was fun to clean, but like I said, I kept thinking I was done, and then I would see something else. But yeah, I mean, the front has like marks or whatever because it's stainless steel, but yeah. The next thing I'm gonna clean is this door. This is just the downstairs hallway closet door. That's what the closet looks like. I know it's lovely. It needs to be painted so bad, and I'm gonna put another shelf like right here, but I haven't gotten to that yet. But this door has looked like this since we moved in, and for some reason I just thought that this stuff wouldn't come off. Like, I don't know what I thought it was, but I kind of just ignored it. But last night I was like trying to find something to clean for this video that would be like really dirty and really satisfying to see it get clean. And yeah, so I scrubbed a little spot of this door to see if it would come off, and it definitely does. Like, that is where I just wiped quickly with a magic eraser, and look at that, that's crazy. And I did a spot on this side also. I think you could probably see that in the video. Like, this is dirty, this spot is clean, and that's dirty. So this door is gonna be so much fun to clean.
We have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Look at that. That is insane. I need to do right here a little bit. You can see where it's like smeared, but oh my gosh. For some reason I didn't even like realize how dirty the door actually was until I started cleaning it.
Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Ooh, oh yeah. in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me.
This door was so much fun to clean. I only got to do one side of it so far, but it looks so much better. I ended up going through an entire magic eraser on only one side though, so I'm getting on Amazon to see if I can find some cheaper ones than the name brand ones. I know a few of you guys have told me Amazon has some, so I will be ordering some for sure. But that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next one. Bye!
Everything feels like